Ferrari's first EV SUV, an off-road Mustang Raptor, and a Corvette ZR1X packing 1250 horsepower, the future of cars is outrageous. Here are the 12 future cars worth waiting for. Oh, and before we dive in, hit that subscribe button if you love cars that make you say, "No way they actually built that." Trust me, what's coming up will blow your mind. Number 12, the 2026 Jeep Cherokee Hybrid. Kicking off our list is Jeep's comeback kid, the 2026 Cherokee Hybrid. After mysteriously disappearing from showrooms a few years ago, Jeep left a gaping hole in their lineup between the Compass and Grand Cherokee, and their sales numbers felt the pain. But redemption is coming. The new Cherokee will ride on the STLA large platform, meaning it'll be more spacious than your typical compact SUV. Think bigger than a Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. Jeep's confirmed a hybrid powertrain is coming, though they're keeping us guessing whether it'll be a conventional hybrid, a plug-in setup, or both. Either way, this marks Jeep's serious push towards electrification while keeping that legendary capability alive. So, if the 2026 Jeep Cherokee Hybrid is a hybrid, why doesn't it come with a charging cable? Well, this is because Jeep designed it as a no-habit change hybrid. Instead of plugging in, the battery recharges itself through regenerative braking and the engine. Owners never have to hunt for charging stations. The SUV quietly does the work in the background, giving you over 500 miles of range without changing a single routine. Number 11, the 2026 Jeep Recon. Speaking of Jeep going electric, meet the Recon. This fully electric SUV proves you don't need gas to conquer trails. The Recon comes with a power folding roof, easily removable doors, locking differentials, and underbody protection, all powered electrically. The classic 7-slot grille gets an illuminated treatment, and that iconic tailgate-mounted spare tire isn't going anywhere. Jeep's staying tight-lipped about range, battery size, and horsepower, but with seating for 5 and 4-wheel drive as standard, the Recon promises to maintain Jeep's off-road DNA in the electric age. Production kicks off sometime in 2025, so the wait isn't long. Number 10, the 2026 Honda Prelude. Here's one that'll tug at the heartstrings of any 90s car enthusiast. The legendary Prelude nameplate is making a comeback. Based on the Civic platform and featuring a hybrid drivetrain, this sports coupe should pack well over 200 horsepower. The concept shown at the 2023 Tokyo Auto Show looked absolutely stunning, capturing that classic Prelude spirit with modern flair. Now here's the bittersweet part. Honda confirmed this won't be a hardcore performance machine like the Civic Type R, and manual transmission fans might be disappointed. But don't count it out just yet. Honda knows how to make hybrids fun, and the Prelude's return signals that affordable sports coupes aren't dead. Number 9, the 2027 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Italian passion meets modern engineering in the completely reimagined second-generation Stelvio. Alfa Romeo isn't just giving this SUV a facelift, they're rethinking everything. The new Stelvio migrates to the STLA large platform, pushing it from compact to nearly mid-size territory. But here's where it gets interesting. You'll have choices. Want a hybrid? They've got you. Prefer going fully electric? That's an option too. And for the speed addicts, a future quadrifoglio variant is rumored to pack the Hurricane twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, the same beast destined for the Dodge Charger. Coming sometime in 2026, this Stelvio promises to blend Alfa Romeo's sensual Italian styling with cutting-edge powertrains. Number 8, the 2026 Genesis V60 Magma. This is Genesis launching a full-scale assault on performance EVs under their new Magma sub-brand. Based on the concept revealed in 2024, this aggressive-looking crossover should mirror the sensational Hyundai Ioniq 5N with 601 horsepower. But here's the twist. The GV60 Magma might feature simulated gear shifts and fake exhaust noises too. The GV60 Magma kicks off Genesis's motorsports push, including an entry at the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans. This isn't just a fast EV, it's Genesis flexing their performance muscles. Number 7. The 2026 Genesis GV90. Every luxury brand needs a flagship crossover, and Genesis is finally delivering with the GV90. This large 3-row electric SUV takes everything opulent about the G90 sedan and supersizes it. While specs remain under wraps, expect standard all-wheel drive and 250 miles of range, and a posh interior. The 2024 Neolin concept gave us a taste of its opulent design direction, and with a 6-figure price tag expected when it arrives next year, the GV90 will plant Genesis firmly in the upper echelons of luxury. Number 6. The 2027 Jaguar I-Type. Jaguar is throwing out the entire playbook and starting from scratch. The I-Type represents a complete reimagining of what Jaguar can be. This large 4-door Grand Tourer arrives in late 2026 as Jaguar attempts to compete with Bentley in the ultra-luxury space. Taking bold styling cues from the blocky, dramatic Type 00 concept, the I-Type targets a 430-mile range and will be suitably powerful for its near $200,000 starting price. This isn't just another EV, it's Jaguar's declaration that they're going upmarket to capture a wealthier, younger audience. The I-Type is either genius or madness, but it's definitely brave. Number 5. The 2026 Ford Mustang Raptor. Wait, what? An off-road Mustang? Haha, I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. Porsche made an off-road 911 Dakar. Lamborghini lifted the Huracan into the Sterrato. So why can't Ford apply their legendary Raptor treatment to the Mustang? This bizarre creation will pack a naturally aspirated V8 all-wheel drive and a lifted suspension with Fox live valve dampers. Picture a Mustang conquering desert trails instead of drag strips. Expected to arrive in 2026 with a starting price around $90,000. This limited run oddball will either be brilliant or completely bonkers. Probably both. The Mustang Raptor proves that in today's automotive world, nothing is off limits. Number 4. The 2026 BMW 3 Series and M3. BMW's venerable 3 Series is getting a revolutionary update. Previewed by the Vision New class concept, the next generation will offer both traditional combustion engines and a battery electric variant called the i3. This new i3 rides on an entirely new EV platform with an 800-volt architecture for lightning-fast charging. But here's the game changer, an all-electric M3, likely called the iM3, featuring a potent quad-motor powertrain. 4 motors means precise torque vectoring and acceleration that'll rival supercars. The i3 should debut before the end of 2025, with the iM3 following in 2026. BMW's making sure their iconic sports sedan stays relevant in the electric age without losing its soul. Number 3. The 2025 Chevy Corvette SUV. The sacred Corvette name is about to do the unthinkable. Chevrolet is slapping the Corvette badge on an SUV, and enthusiasts everywhere are going crazy. Expected to ride on GM's Alpha platform, this controversial crossover will range from a turbocharged 4-cylinder at the entry level all the way up to a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 in the top ZO-something performance model. Chevy's expected to reveal this game-changing vehicle later this year, and love it or hate it, you won't be able to ignore it. Number 2. The 2026 Ferrari EV SUV. Ferrari, the keeper of the V12 flame, is entering electric territory. This isn't just any EV, this is Ferrari's first ever electric SUV, marking a seismic shift for the prancing horse. The low-slung crossover seats at least 4 and features an entirely redeveloped powertrain, including the high-voltage battery and motors. Ferrari's not playing around with this one. With a starting price likely exceeding $500,000, this EV SUV is positioned on the stratosphere of luxury. The reveal is set for October 9, 2025, and while Ferrari promises to keep selling V12 engines as long as possible, they're hedging their bets by catering to a different crowd. This electric Ferrari won't roar, but it'll definitely make a statement. Number 1. The 2026 Chevy Corvette ZR1X. Originally rumored to be called the Zora, the ZR1X combines the ZR1's already mental 1064 horsepower twin turbocharged V8 with the E-Ray's front-mounted electric motor, except Chevy beefed it up to 1250 horsepower. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. The standing quarter mile in fewer than 9 seconds, with a trap speed over 150 miles per hour. But here's the wild part. Did you know the Corvette ZR1X was so fast, Chevy's engineers actually had to rewrite the software mid-development because the front motor couldn't keep up with the insane speeds? That's right, during R&D runs topping 150 miles per hour, the electric axle literally outpaced its own programming. And the fix? Reprogramming the entire system so the ZR1X could safely harness all 1250 horsepower without tearing itself apart. So there you have it, 12 incredible machines that'll reshape the automotive landscape between now and 2029. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 12 cars are you most excited about? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss our deep dives into the most exciting cars on the horizon.